today we are going to talk about this topic, support and resistance as a target. So if you can use your support area as a target, you can use the resistance area as a target. So coming to this scenario, let's dive in to see how you can use it, and I will show you a series of charts on how you can use support and resistance area as a target of what your take profit. Alright, no problem, let's dive into the video. Alright, this is a chart of a sell signal. Support and resistance can be used as a target, guys, as well as stop loss. Now we are looking at this chart now. This is Euro JPY. So let me show you guys how support can be used as a target of a short trade. Now this is a signal to go short, guys. Now this is a recent support of a recent swing or recent support area, and this should be your target. This one should be your target, and this one should be your target. So market support resistance levels draws the market towards each other. So take a look at this. You see, this is a recent level of support, guys. So you may tend to take this area as your take profit, but if this is your target, you shouldn't put your target this way, because market tends to do come close. Market tends to get close to it without reaching it and continue backward movement. So as this scenario comes in, guys, as we have a sell signal here and the market tends to come down to at this support area, tends to draw this market towards it, then your first target, the market may reach here and pass it, but your first target, as you want to place your risk, is to place your stop loss above this area, a little bit above this area, as I said in my former video. Then your first target should be this swing here. This is a swing here, guys. This is a swing. So you place your first take profit here, or you can place your second take profit at this area. But you have to put it a little closer to it, or you place it here to avoid. I should have brought it close to it. Now let's take a look at this second scenario. As I've placed this stop loss here, I need to drag it closer to its area by having this, guys. You see that? So since I have put this stop loss here, we all know that the price can get close to it, go beyond it. So it is better safe, and it's better put it in a very tight position, on a very secure position. So if we place our stop loss on this area, this range here, this halo here, this swing here, so the market comes down to this area, and you have to go for your take profit. If it passes it over, you wait for what? You wait for what? For another bullish position, or for another buy position. So as you can see now, as you have entered here, let me move back again and show you what I'm trying to say. So this is a sell signal, guys. Market, you target this below this place or here as your take profit, and that as the market comes down, guys, so the trend comes down to this area. Remember that this is in an area, a swing here too. Remember that there's a swing here. So market gets towards it and reacted, pull back and continue to downtrend. So if you place your take profit towards this area, guys, as I said earlier, you may be taken out of the market in profit, guys. So the market also reached towards that area with a spike. So it's better you do your take profit within this range of a swing you have here. And most of all call this pattern a W pattern. So I don't want to move into patterns. So this is a W pattern, higher high, then let's not go into that now. This on topic of what support and resistance area as what as a target. So this you all can see how well it is played. So in this case, the price moved beyond it, guys. So now let's take a look at a buy scenario. So take a look at this level of recent what resistance. You see, so this has formed what as a level of what resistance. Now we target a few pips at this area. Now we have a buy signal at this area. You understand? Remember, we have a sell signal here, and this is the what a buy signal. So this is the most recent area of resistance. So if you are targeting this area, it's either we target a middle of this area or this swing here. So or target this area or target this halo or target this resistance, but not above it, but little what in between of this area. So this should be a long trade on one hour time frame. And what happens next? Your stop loss should be what? Below here, guys. You see? So when you target your stop loss below this area, what happens? Market what? As the trade plays out, it targets that level easily and do what? And took the level out and pushed out. So we don't know if the market is going to get, pushed back from this area or, coming out of this area. So if we are going long like this, guys, your target should be what the previous swing high or previous resistance or previous support area, guys. Also, some people call it what supply and demand position. So this is just a typical example of how it works. So take a look at this. It forms what this is also a W formation, and this is also what a W what formation here of targeting the previous resistance area. This one also targets what a previous support area. Here targets a previous resistance area. So this is a typical example of what using support and resistance as a target of your take profits in the financial market. All right, I think I'm done for this. This is a very short class, and it is well explained. And if you have any question, don't forget to comment. Click the link below this video to join the Telegram channel. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, give me thumbs up. Click on the bell icon over there in your screen and wait for the next lecture to come in. We'll keep learning, we'll keep growing, we'll keep trading. So thank you guys, and God bless you. This is well explained clearly. Last but not the least, this is resistance area, this is support area. If you're going short, if you have a signal here, a sell signal here, and you're going short, your target should be what? The previous support area. Here again, if you're going bullish, if you're buying, and if you're going long, if you have your sell signal appears, your target take profit should be the previous swing high or the resistance area. Thank you, and God bless you. Like FX signing off. Bye for now.